So let us understand what it is trying to helping us this report. Suppose if you send it to your manager, what he can understand out of it. Let's see now. Right now we are in the government section where user can select only single segment out of it. Under government section, for each country profit, it is like this. This at the same time when we are getting this profit means the sales are high level bucket what how much it is showing, the low level bucket how much it is showing, that is the percentage it is showing. But here the only thing high bucket is too high, so that is the reason we are not able to see other two buckets values. But if the high bucket is little less, we could have seen that one. At the same time each month how many units is sold. In the September month, 21,408 units is sold, but across the countries we are earning this much revenue, this much profit. At the same time, the high bucket is giving more revenue. So this is how they can understand. They can switch back to any other discount bucket. Let's say medium discount bucket. Under medium discount bucket in each government section across the countries, this is the profit, and the units sold trend is showing like this. By looking this trend, we can understand within the June month for medium discount and the government section there is more units sold. And if we have more underlying data, we can analyze what are the reasons. Advertisement cost is high, whether the seasonal sales are going on, or that month any new customers have registered to our product to buy. So like that we can analyze, but as of now we have some limited data, we will not go into that kind of in detail. But at the same time you can see February and March there are less units sold under the government section. Maybe those months are may not be seasonable to our products. Let's go to small business. Under small business, again June month are high sales, and coming to December it's a little dip is there. But in the August and May there is more dip in our product sold. So like this we can analyze this data. We can take some actions to further improve our sales, especially in these months or in any future months. So this is how we can understand this data. Please subscribe to my channel Chetana Pixel if you are not done yet. Request your comments on this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.